this is wonderful. Oh, I see. I'm supposed to be catering to the press. The hell with the press.
I want our military to be beyond anything, no contest. And technologically, most importantly, because you're getting now, militaries have to be technologically advanced, so we probably have a big advantage. We do have a big advantage of that.
We have politicians that don't have a clue. They're all talk, they're no action. What's happening to this country is disgraceful. We're going to get rid of all these horrible regulations. We're going to open up. We're going to do business. We're going to have fun. We're going to create jobs. We're going to be taking jobs back from all over the world.